Hey everyone, welcome. I'm at the train station. Yes, and this train station has had somewhat of an interesting past, let's just say that. You know, like it's the third time this train station was built. So, back in 1854, the first train station was built, but it was destroyed during the Civil War. When the Union came through, they destroyed the place. Then in 1872, the place was rebuilt by the Chesapeake and Ohio Railroad. That was in 72. About 10 years later, the place got destroyed by a runaway train. Plowed into the place. Destroyed. Then in 1902, a guy named Collins redesigned it. The train's leaving. And this is still the train station since 1902. And it's built right here on what they call the Wharf District. So right across from the train station, you had all these old buildings that probably was like, you know, hardware, different types of things that people needed when they were moving. So right now it's like bookstores, a lot of different art shops, but it's very much a historical area. So, like I say, this is why I love going on road trips. If I didn't just stop by, I would have never seen this. And now I feel so lucky. Hey, as always, leave comments. And really, as always, love, peace, and respect. Because you're with Silver Daddy. I will talk to you later. Bye.